You see that change of speed? These tools gonna help you do that. I'm talking about the range tool. Yeah, let's get it. If you want a speed ramp or change the speed of a section of your clip, press R for range tool, or you can also go here and select range tool, but to be honest with you guys, who wants to use that when you can just press R? Then click and drag wherever you want to create the change of speed, and then you can click here to use the Retime Editor tool. And you can choose a new speed. For this one, in this case, I wanted to go really fast right here in the beginning, so I'm gonna choose times 20. And let's see how that looks. Check this out. Yes, I want it to slow down when they bump. That looks good. You can actually do the same thing with an audio clip if you ever need to. Just select a range and then retime. Now that's one where you can use the range tool, but since we're here, let me show you this one too. If you want to delete a section of your video or audio clip, press R to activate the range tool, click and drag to select, and then press delete. It's pretty simple, right? It's simple and quick. But speaking about being quick, you can also quickly control your effects with the range tool. Let me show you. Let's apply an effect to this clip right here. Now I'm gonna choose the Gaussian blur effect. So I'm gonna just double click here. And now that it's applied, press Ctrl V to show the video animation tab of your clip. And here is the Gaussian blur effect right here. Now all you have to do at this point is to click here. They call this one, this little button right here, disclosure button. And then press R and select the range. And let's drag it down. Look at that. We just reduced the effect in this selected range right here. Of course, you can do the same thing with your music or your audio. Just right click and show audio animation or Control A, and you know what to do. This one right here has the cathedral effect in it. So click here and use the range tool, and so on and so forth. If you missed how to use the range tool to control your volume, I'm gonna link that video up here, but you can also use it to export a section of your timeline. Yeah, just press R to use the range tool, you know that, and then select the portion you want to export. And when you click on export, Final Cut Pro will just export that range or that section or that portion that you selected. I use this when I want to use a portion of my projects in a reel, or I want to show a portion of the video to a client. And that's it. If you guys get any value from this video, subscribe today and go check out these tips for Final Cut Pro users, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.